Okay, so the next craft we are showing you how to do is the butterfly, and you can actually hang this. You could hang it around a door frame. You could hang it so that it's going straight up and down. Really any way you want to do it. This one's pretty easy. You're just going to take markers, or you can take paint and you can decorate it in any pattern you want. I'm actually going to show you some pictures of actual butterflies and their wings so that you could try to make them look like real butterflies. Alright, so we started decorating ours just to show you some examples. Our theme is going to be based on butterflies in Connecticut. So you'll see I attempted to make a monarch butterfly. It doesn't really look exactly like it, but I tried, so it's A for effort. And then this is another butterfly that you can find in Connecticut. And I will post the picture of this one, and they're all labeled, and you'll see all of the other different butterflies in Connecticut as well. And you don't have to do this theme, but we thought it would be fun just to have one at the shelter of all the different butterflies in Connecticut. You can do any patterns you want, and if you wanted to do the butterflies of Connecticut, I am going to include a slideshow of all of the different butterflies and some facts about them, so stay tuned.
In case you wanted to do butterflies of Connecticut, here are all of the butterflies that live in Connecticut. This is a close-up of a monarch butterfly. The next butterfly is the clouded sulfur, and this one's really pretty. It has all the yellow and the brown. Next up is the eastern-tailed blue butterfly, which is my favorite for all of its bright blues, and it looks like it has a little black in there too. Here is the black swallowtail. This one's pretty cool too. A lot of black and a little bit of yellow in there. Kind of like the clouded sulfur, this is an orange sulfur. So instead of being yellow, it's definitely more orange. Here we have the painted lady butterfly, and she has a spectacular pattern going on with all of her colors. And next up is actually called the question mark butterfly, and they have a pretty cool pattern too. Next is the azure butterfly, and it looks a lot like the eastern-tailed blue butterfly, and you'll notice that there's actually that butterfly in there too. And then this is the red admiral butterfly, pretty cool. The spice bush swallowtail is next. A lot of black in there. There might be a little bit of orange on its tail. The last butterfly that we're showing you is called the common buckeye, and this one is probably my favorite. So now we're just going to do a few facts about butterflies, and here are some things you may not know. That they have taste receptors on their feet. They get essential nutrients by drinking from mud puddles. They are unable to fly in temperatures below 55 degrees. And they actually can see a range of ultraviolet colors, but are invisible to the human eye. So they can see colors that we can't see, which is pretty cool. Some other cool facts about butterflies that you may not have known is that, yes, they do need sugar from flowers and all of those plants, but they also drink mud puddles for minerals. Butterflies also can't really fly in colder temperatures, so keep an eye out while it's between 80 degrees and 90 degrees. This is when they fly the best, so you might be able to see some outside if you go outside. And finally, butterflies don't live very long. They have short lives, but they make the best out of it flying and drinking from flowers.